Welcome to our journey through the life of Pocahontas, a figure who bridges the gap between Native American and European history. Pocahontas was born around 1595 in the Powhatan Confederacy, which is present-day Virginia. She was the daughter of Chief Powhatan, the leader of the Algonquian-speaking people. In 1607, English settlers arrived at Jamestown, establishing the first permanent English settlement in North America. Pocahontas is most famously known for her interactions with Captain John Smith, an English soldier and adventurer. According to Smith, Pocahontas saved his life by intervening with her father, Chief Powhatan. Pocahontas played a crucial role as a peacemaker and cultural interpreter between the Powhatan and the English settlers. In 1614, Pocahontas married John Rolfe, an English tobacco planter. This marriage was seen as a symbol of peace and unity between the two cultures. Before her marriage, Pocahontas converted to Christianity and took the name Rebecca. Pocahontas and John Rolfe traveled to England in 1616. She was introduced to English society and even met King James I. Pocahontas's legacy is complex. She is celebrated as a peacemaker and a bridge between cultures, but her story has also been romanticized and misrepresented in popular culture. Pocahontas died in England in 1617, at the age of 21 or 22. She was buried in Gravesend, Kent. Pocahontas's life and legacy have had a lasting impact on American history and culture, symbolizing both the possibilities and the challenges of intercultural relations. The Powhatan Confederacy was a powerful alliance of Native American tribes in the Tidewater region of Virginia. The settlement at Jamestown faced numerous challenges, including disease, starvation, and conflicts with the Powhatan. Pocahontas's interactions with the English settlers facilitated a cultural exchange, helping both sides to understand each other's customs and languages. Pocahontas's marriage to John Rolfe was a significant event, symbolizing peace between the Powhatan and the English. Pocahontas's conversion to Christianity was part of a larger effort by the English to convert Native Americans. Pocahontas's visit to England was a diplomatic success, showcasing the potential for peaceful relations between the English and Native Americans. Over the years, Pocahontas's story has been romanticized and misrepresented in various forms of media. Despite these misrepresentations, historians continue to uncover the true story of Pocahontas, emphasizing her role as a peacemaker and cultural interpreter. Pocahontas's legacy is one of peace and understanding, reminding us of the importance of intercultural dialogue and respect. The Powhatan people had a rich culture, with traditions that included hunting, fishing, and agriculture. The English settlers at Jamestown faced many struggles, including conflicts with the Powhatan and the harsh realities of establishing a new colony. Pocahontas's role as a diplomat was crucial in maintaining peace and facilitating trade between the Powhatan and the English. Pocahontas's marriage to John Rolfe was not just a personal union but a political one, symbolizing the potential for unity between different cultures. Pocahontas's conversion to Christianity was significant, as it marked a shift in cultural and religious identity. Pocahontas's tour of England was a unique experience, introducing her to a world far removed from her native Virginia. The misunderstandings and misrepresentations of Pocahontas's story highlight the challenges of interpreting history accurately. Despite these challenges, Pocahontas's true legacy lies in her efforts to foster peace and understanding between different cultures. Pocahontas remains an enduring symbol of the complex relationships between Native Americans and European settlers. As we conclude our journey through the life of Pocahontas, we are reminded of the importance of peace, understanding, and respect in our interactions with different cultures. Pocahontas's legacy is a testament to the power of diplomacy and the enduring spirit of reconciliation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more educational content. Check the description below for links to our exclusive homeschool materials by Swan Academy.